Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can alert other DG members when they're painting or doing a puzzle and stuff like that. So get close to their avatar, their person, get close to them. Select this icon over here, and you'll see this tap interaction. Basically, it's going to notify them when they're painting or doing something else and they'll see that somebody is there. I think if you're their friends, you'll be able to see who's tapping. But if not, you'll just see like this person tapped on you or something. This person just did that, so I just knew about it. So here again, it's here and just press tap. It is like their latest feature. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.